Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add slow zoom in Capcut. To do this, first of all, open your Capcut application and add a video in which you want to add slow motion feature. Once you do that, select the video from the down and then add a keyword, that is the diamond button. Once you add the keyword, now you have to slowly zoom in the video. Now you can see, since I have zoomed in the video, it has been zoomed. So in this way you can add slow zoom in your Capcut application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.